Hi, I'm here to help with your task. What would you like to do today?
Yeah, complete my task to finish the agent builder demo.
The task to finish the Agent Builder demo video is marked as done. Anything else you'd like to update?
That's it, thank you. The voice agent answered my phone call. No third-party setup, no SIP trunk configuration, just buy a number and connect to your agent. If you've built a voice agent with LiveKit, you know that it works great on the web. Users connect through a browser, talk to your agent, and get responses in real time. But many use cases need phone access. Customer support lines, appointment hotlines, order status systems. People want to call a number and talk to your agent. The traditional way to do this requires setting up a SIP trunk with a third-party provider. You sign up for an account, buy a phone number separately, configure the trunk, wire it all together, and it's a lot of steps before you can even test if it works. LiveKit Phone Numbers changes that. You can now buy phone numbers directly from LiveKit and connect them to your existing agents with a dispatch rule. No third-party accounts, no SIP trunk configuration, just pick a phone number, attach it to your agent, and you're live. And here's the best part. Anyone can try this for free. All LiveKit Cloud plans include a free phone number and a monthly allotment of free inbound call minutes. So you can test the entire flow without any cost. And I'm going to show you exactly how this all works. I'll use the agent that I built in the previous video demonstrating LiveKit's agent builder. If you haven't watched that video yet, go check it out. And I'll add a phone number to that agent. And so you'll see the entire process from purchase to making a phone call. We're going to start out here in the LiveKit Cloud dashboard. And if you're new, you can sign up for a completely free account using the link in the video description below. There's no credit card required. First, navigate to Telephony, and under there, you're going to see phone numbers. This is a new phone number management page. We don't have any phone numbers yet, so let's go ahead and buy one. In the search, we can search for an area code, so I'll type in 832, and we can pick from our phone numbers here. We see the full phone number, the location, the type of phone number it is, any features, and the monthly rate. So let's go ahead and buy one. We'll confirm our purchase. And again, every LiveKit account gets one free phone number. So now that we've successfully purchased our phone number, under options, we can go ahead and create a new dispatch rule for this phone number. Hey, really quick, if this video is helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more LiveKit videos. So the dispatch rule creation modal opens up here, and we've got two tabs. We've got dispatch rule details and JSON editor. So if you already know what you want to enter here, you've got the JSON, you can just paste it in here if you want, but we're going to go ahead and fill out the form. So first we'll give it a name. So I'll just say task dispatch rule, and then we can select the rule type. So we've got a nice little hover here, determine how inbound calls are dispatched to LiveKit rooms. So we can choose between direct, individual, or callee. So I'll select individual because I want an individual room for each caller. Then we can add a prefix. So this will determine how LiveKit rooms are created for incoming calls, and it could allow us to more easily identify certain rooms based on the prefix. Next, we can assign an agent to this dispatch rule. So we'll click add agent, and we'll give it the agent name that we used in the previous video. I think it was task manager. And then we can include any optional dispatch metadata. Under inbound routing, we've got phone numbers and trunks. So under phone numbers, we can see that phone number that we just purchased. If we don't select anything, it will use any phone numbers available, or we can select specific phone numbers. So I'll go ahead and click create. And now our phone number is now connected to our agent and ready to receive phone calls. So the agent uses the same tools, the same data, whether someone calls through the web or calls through a phone number. And the audio quality is very clear with HD voice. And that's it, from purchase to a working phone agent in, I don't know, maybe 2 minutes. LiveKit Phone Numbers removes the friction of connecting voice agents to a phone network. Instead of signing up with a third-party provider, buying a number separately, and so now you have billing in several places, and then configuring your SIP trunk across multiple platforms, you can now just do everything in one place. And when you need to debug audio quality issues, you're not dealing with another vendor. Everything runs through LiveKit, and so you have one place to look for diagnostics and support. And this works whether you're building a customer support line, an appointment hotline, an order status system, or any other voice agent that needs phone access. Now, if you prefer the command line, you can do all of this through the LiveKit CLI. Everything is available programmatically. So LiveKit Phone Numbers lets you buy phone numbers directly from LiveKit and connect them to your voice agent with dispatch rules. You saw the 3 steps. You purchase your phone number, you create the dispatch rule, and you make a phone call. LiveKit Phone Numbers is available now in LiveKit Cloud. All plans include 1 free phone number and a monthly allotment of free inbound calling minutes. Beyond that, it's pay-as-you-go pricing. The fastest way to add phone access to your voice agent is to give it a try. It just takes minutes, not hours. So if you want to give it a try, the link is in the video description. And if you build something interesting with phone numbers, I'd love to see it. If you run into any issues, you have any questions, or you want to share feedback, join our community Slack channel. Again, link in the video description. And if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this.